GAIO Technology presents Prompt, our new test tool for model-based development that helps make testing more complete, more accurate, and more efficient.
Prompt is a test data generation tool that uses randomly generated test data to prepare the most complete test coverage possible for model-based designs. The data can be used in our companion product Coverage Master Win AMS to provide a comprehensive model-based development test system.
Why is such a tool needed? Model-based software development is increasing in complexity, and the requirement to test the model completely is becoming more and more difficult to achieve. We saw a need for an automated means of generating test vectors for large-scale complex models that could achieve high levels of coverage in a shorter time. So how does it work? The target model is processed into our harness model, either in its entirety or as a series of subsystems. Each harness model is then put through an analysis engine to generate test cases which are executed using a simulator. The test cases use test data generated by the engine using input signal templates and a random generation algorithm. The engine then outputs the test results, coverage results, and a report of the untested blocks of code. Prompt is relatively easy to use. After installation, add the executable file folder to the search path of MATLAB so it can be seen from the file menus. Then you can use Prompt from the MATLAB command line. Let's take a look at the 3 simple steps involved. Firstly, create a test harness from the test system or subsystem. Use a size type subsystem to connect it to the signal builder block for the input signals. If the test system is very large, it can be divided into subsystems using the cut subsystem function. Next, create the test data using the targetless MCDC function. This will generate test data to give the maximum possible coverage for the target system. Parameters can be adjusted to create different test conditions as required. The test data is generated using random selection based on a set of signal templates. The parameters used in the templates can be modified to improve the coverage rate achieved. The Monte Carlo method is used due to its suitability for large model systems and its lack of limitations. Signal templates, however, allow the user to direct the test data to more closely resemble the actual inputs of the system. Signal templates can be generated automatically, or the engine can reuse the templates from a previous test. 8 different types of signal template are defined. The third step is to output the test data and coverage report. These can be prepared in text or JavaScript object notation format.
For comparison with other test generation tools, we obtained test models and sample control models. The comparison test results show that GAIO Technology's Prompt tool gives better results, more test cases, and better coverage in a shorter time.
More information on the full range of test tools from GAIO Technology can be found on our website. Thank you for your time and attention.